children, a warm welcome to Sheba Group online class. Children, keep your stationery things ready because today we are going to do our social revision. Come on, let's start. Students, everyone take your revision note. Pages 192 pages long ruled. Again I am insisting, take 192 pages long ruled for writing your revision. Take a fresh page and be ready. Students, now we are going to do revision in social. Children, whenever we are doing a revision, we have to concentrate well and spell and write each and every word. Write neatly, give your best handwriting. So let me move on to the first topic, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, the oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is dash. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is dash. Chennai. 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 நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டுல இருக்கிற oldest corporation நகராட்சி எதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா சென்னை. Chennai. Chennai. Second one, the agricultural land and the area around is called dash. The agricultural land and the area around is called dash. Marudam. 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 So agricultural land என்னமா விவசாய நிலம். விவசாய நிலத்தையும் அதை சுத்தி இருக்கிற இடத்தையும் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? மருதம். Marudam. And the third one, dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Dash forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Kiri Parai Reserve Forest. Kiri Parai. Kiri. K-E-R-I. Kiri. Parai. P-A-R-A-I. Parai. P-A-R-A-I. Parai. Reserve. R-E-S-E-R-V-E. Reserve. R-E-S-E-R-V-E. Reserve. Kiri Parai Reserve Forest is located in Kanyakumari district. Clear children? Now the fourth one, the father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon. The father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. L-O-R-D. Lord Ripon. R-I-P-P-O-N. Ripon. Lord Ripon. So local self-government na உள்ளூர் அமைப்பு. அதோட father யாரு? Lord Ripon. After writing this, children, draw a line with your scale and pencil. Write neatly. Now our second Roman letter is choose the correct answer. They will give you an option. You have to choose the right answer, children. So first one, the flag of Pandyas was dash. The flag of Pandyas was dash. Peacock, fish. The options are peacock, fish. What is the answer? Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. They will give you answer here itself, children. You should not make spelling mistake. Copy from here, write neatly, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. And the second one, port of Cholas was dash. Port of Cholas was dash. Chennai, Kaveri, Kumbattinam. Chennai, Kaveri, Kumbattinam. So port. Port na ships நிற்கிற இடம் பேர் தான் port. So Cholas ஓட port என்னவா இருந்திருக்கும்? Cholas ஓட துறைமுகம். I said earlier na ships நிற்கிற இடத்தை துறைமுகம் சொல்வாங்க. So Cholas ஓட which is located in Chennai. Chennai, Chennai. Now the fifth question. The Ballal, feudal lord, who gave his chariot to Mullai was dash. The Ballal, feudal lord, who gave his chariot to Mullai was dash. And the options are Pari Pegan. Pari Pegan. Yaar Mullai ku தேர் கொடுத்தா? எந்த feudal lord ma? Yaar ma? Yes, you are right. It is Pari. P-A-R-I. Pari. Every time children you have to write the question as well as answer for your studying purpose. Don't write only the answer, children. Write the question and answer neatly. Don't scribble. Children, our third Roman letter is match the following. The options will be given in an improper order. You have to arrange it in a proper order, children. So first one, God Murugan. God Murugan. M-U-R-U-G-A-N. Murugan. Kottravai Palai. The god of Palai is Kottravai. Kottravai Palai. P-A-L-A-I. Palai. Mayor Corporation. The father of corporation is Mayor. So Mayor Corporation. C-O-R-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Corporation. Cheras Poigai. Cheras settled on the bank of river Poigai. P-O-I-G-A-I. Poigai. Rural local body Grama Panchayat. Rural local body Grama Panchayat. G-R-A-M-A. Grama Panchayat. P-A-N-C-H-A-Y-A-T. Panchayat. Pandyas Baigai. B-A-I-G-A-I. Baigai. Pandyas settled on the bank of river Baigai. B-A-I-G-A-I. Baigai. Now children, we move on to the fourth Roman letter. Name the territories of the Moovendargal in the present districts of Tamil Nadu. So they are given Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. We are going to write the districts names of Tamil Nadu where they have established their kingdom. Cheras, Erode, Tirupur, Nilgiris. Cheras, Erode, Tirupur, Nilgiris. Cholas, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Tiruchirappalli. Cholas, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Tiruchirappalli. Pandyas, Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal. Let me spell all these words. Erode, E-R-O-D-E, Erode. Tirupur, T-I-R-U-P-U-R, Tirupur. Nilgiris, N-I-L-G-I-R-I-S, Nilgiris. Tanjavur, T-A-N-J-A-V-U-R, Tanjavur. Pudukottai, P-U-D-U-K-K-O-T-T-A-I, Pudukottai. Tiruchirappalli, T-R-I-C-H-I-R-A-P-A-L-L-I, Tiruchirappalli. Madurai, M-A-D-U-R-A-I, Madurai. Theni, T-H-E-N-I, Theni. Dindukkal, D-I-N-D-I-G-U-L, Dindukkal. Students, you have to spell each word and write neatly, children. Now we move on to the fifth Roman letter. Answer the following. Read the questions carefully and then answer. Every time whenever you are writing your answer, you have to keep 2 finger gap, and at the end of the sentence you have to keep a full stop. Clear? What is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? What is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? So answer, there are 14 corporations in Tamil Nadu. There are 14 corporations in Tamil Nadu. After writing this question, you have to draw a line with your scale and pencil. Now the second question, who were Kadayelu Vallalgal? Who were Kadayelu Balbilori, Nedumudikari, Nalli and I. Again I am insisting. Pegan, Pari, Adyaman, Balbilori, Nedumudikari, Nalli and I. Pehan, P-E-H-A-N, Pehan. Pari, P-A-R-I, Pari. Adyaman, A-T-H-I-Y-A-M-A-N, Adyaman. Balbilori, B-A-L-B-I-L, Balbil, Ori, O-R-I, Ori. Nedumudikari, Nedu, N-E-D-U, Nedu, Mudi, M-U-D-I, Mudi. Kari, K-A-R-I, Kari. Nedumudikari. Nalli, N-A-L-L-I, Nalli. And I, A-I. These 7 feeder lots are called as Kadayelu Ballalgal. Now move on to the third question, children. How was the president of municipality elected? How was the president of municipality elected? And the answer is the president of municipality is elected by the people directly. By the people directly. By. B-Y-by. The. T-H, the. People. P-O-P-L-E. People. Directly. D-A-R-E-C-T-L-Y. Directly. So presidents of municipality எப்படி இருப்பாங்க? நம்ம people தான் அவங்கள elect பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? Write neatly. Now the fourth question is list 4 themes of Mullai land. So themes of Mullai land, children, we are going to write themes of Mullai land. God, Thirumal. God, Thirumal. People, Idayar, Ayar. People, Idayar, Ayar. Occupation. Occupation na tholil. Okay ba? Cattle rearing. Plants and flowers. Goa, Mullai flower. Let me spell it. Thirumal. T-H-I-R-U-M-A-L. Thirumal. T-H-I-R-U-M-A-L. Thirumal. Idayar. I-D-A-I-Y-A-R. Idayar. Ayar. A-A-Y-A-R. Ayar. Cattle rearing. C-A-T-T-L-E. Cattle rearing. R-E-A-R-I-N-G. Rearing. Goa. G-U-A-V-A. Goa. G-U-A-D-A. Goa. Goa na goyaka. Mullai flower. M-U-L-L-A-I. Mullai flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. After writing each and every question, children, pronounce and write, spell it and write neatly. Give your neat and based handwriting. Draw a line with your ruler and scale. At last, you have to write parent side and you must get your parent signature. Children, I hope everyone understand the social revision. Read and write, spell it and write boldly and read at home. Don't forget the instructions I gave you. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.